In the journey towards financial freedom, our habits can either be our greatest allies or our most formidable foes. While some habits propel us towards success and prosperity, others can unknowingly shackle us in a cycle of poverty. We'll explore 5 common habits that can keep you trapped in poverty, shedding light on their impact and offering insights into how to break free. Hey there, welcome to Klumbox, your go-to spot for unlocking the secrets to true wealth, gaining control over your finances, and leveling up your lifestyle. We're thrilled to have you join us on this journey. Like and subscribe if you haven't yet. 1. Living beyond your means. Living beyond one's means is a common trap that ensnares many individuals in a cycle of debt and financial instability. It's easy to fall into the allure of instant gratification, whether it's through frequent shopping sprees, dining out at expensive restaurants, or indulging in luxurious vacations. However, when our expenses consistently exceed our income, we find ourselves drowning in debt and struggling to make ends meet. How do you solve that? Cultivate the habit of living below your means by creating a budget and sticking to it rigorously. Differentiate between needs and wants, prioritizing essential expenses while cutting back on non-essential indulgences. Embrace frugality and adopt a mindset of delayed gratification, focusing on long-term financial goals rather than fleeting pleasures. 2. Neglecting financial literacy. Financial illiteracy is a silent but pervasive barrier to wealth accumulation. Many people lack the basic knowledge and skills necessary to manage their finances effectively, leading to poor decision-making and missed opportunities for growth. Without a solid understanding of concepts such as budgeting, investing, and debt management, individuals are left vulnerable to predatory financial practices and are unable to build a secure financial future. So, how do you solve that? Invest in your financial education by reading books, attending workshops, and seeking guidance from reputable financial advisors. Take the time to understand fundamental financial concepts and develop practical skills that empower you to make informed decisions about your money. By prioritizing financial literacy, you can take control of your finances and pave the way towards prosperity. 3. Procrastination and inaction. Procrastination is the thief of opportunity, robbing us of the chance to pursue our goals and dreams. Whether it's delaying investments, neglecting to save for retirement, or putting off important financial decisions, procrastination prevents us from taking the necessary steps to secure our financial future. Inaction breeds stagnation, trapping us in a cycle of missed opportunities and unrealized potential. The solution: cultivate the habit of taking proactive steps towards your financial goals, even if they seem daunting or intimidating. Break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps and tackle them one at a time. Set specific, achievable goals and create a timeline for achieving them, holding yourself accountable along the way. By embracing a proactive mindset, you can overcome procrastination and chart a course towards financial success. 4. Failing to invest in yourself. One of the most valuable investments you can make is in yourself, yet many people neglect to prioritize self-improvement and personal development. Whether it's acquiring new skills, pursuing higher education, or investing in your health and well-being, failing to invest in yourself can limit your earning potential and hinder your ability to thrive in a competitive marketplace. Make self-improvement a priority by investing time, energy, and resources into developing your skills and knowledge. Identify areas where you can expand your expertise or gain new qualifications, whether through formal education, online courses, or hands-on experience. Additionally, prioritize your physical and mental well-being by adopting healthy habits such as regular exercise, proper nutrition, and stress management techniques. By investing in yourself, you not only enhance your earning potential, but also enrich your overall quality of life. 5. Ignoring the power of networking. Networking is often cited as one of the most effective ways to advance professionally and financially, yet many people underestimate its importance or shy away from actively cultivating professional relationships. Whether it's building connections within your industry, seeking mentorship from experienced professionals, or leveraging social networks for career opportunities, ignoring the power of networking can limit your career prospects and hinder your ability to access valuable resources. The solution? Make networking a priority by actively seeking out opportunities to connect with others in your field or area of interest. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and participate in online forums or networking groups relevant to your career goals. Approach networking with a genuine interest in building meaningful relationships and offering value to others, rather than focusing solely on what you can gain. By nurturing your network and fostering mutually beneficial connections, you can open doors to new opportunities and accelerate your path to success. In conclusion, breaking free from the habits that keep you trapped in poverty requires a combination of self-awareness, discipline, and proactive action. By cultivating habits of financial responsibility, continuous learning, proactive decision-making, self-investment, and networking, you can transcend the limitations of poverty and embark on a journey towards lasting prosperity. Remember, your habits shape your destiny. Choose wisely. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to smash the like button if you found it helpful and subscribe to Klumbox for more videos like this. Leave a comment down below and we'll do well to reply. Keep thriving with us and see you next time.